Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today is a special day for us as we have an exciting announcement to make. We are honored to announce our partnership with OneXBet, one of the top sponsors of the African Cup in Ivory Coast this year. This partnership allows us to provide the best service to our valued clients. To celebrate, we took a trip to the factory to double check our products after production. Easy Trade Africa, we take the quality of our products very seriously. That's why we decided to personally visit the factory to ensure that every item meets our high standards before it reaches our clients. Thanks to this partnership, we've had the opportunity to work on some incredible projects with our clients. If you have any projects you'd like to bring to life, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Our team is ready to collaborate and make your ideas a reality. Reach out to us through our website or contact information provided in the description below. And before we wrap up, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all our latest news, projects, and exciting collaborations like this one. See you in the next video. Bye. Hi guys, this is Nikesla, your reliable supply in China. So today, we are here to check out goods and see the quality. We will inflate it and see how good is it, and then we will ship it to our client. So when we are doing any customization, the most important thing, you need to come to visit the factory. So here what we do, we check the quality of everything. We also check how they manufacture it, check how it's manufactured. I'm gonna show you again. See that? So this is for the swimming pool. You see? Check how it's manufactured. So what we do here, we are double checking the raw material, So firstly, you can send to us这个洗米可以在这边做吗？
高度不够，高度这只有4米。
那怎么办呢？要不要下去吗？还是
下去吧？
我不知道。
我们在上面先冲一下，你可以
还行啊，行。
非洲那个 MTA 他们还有梯度全都在我们这儿。MTA 对不对？啊，对，在我这里看。看好。啊，这个呢，这是我当时在这个。这个应该也是你们这个。对，就是说啊，你们都对过，都做点什么？MTA 可以看啊，对，这个是应该也是你们非洲的。
对。很多非洲单的好像。
很多非洲的。
好多非洲啊 ，baby， 你看他说很多。
以后就不用冲洗了，就这样的。这个是鼓风机，一直冲洗的。
觉得
对吧？这个
下面拍吧。下面不是做的是不是？
那行，
好多一点，对，
行，
效果会非常好看哎。
好嘞，给他下去拍吧。然后这个找个雨布在下面铺4个。
上面也有了吗？
上面有4个，我只拉了2个，因为我人太少了。下面有4个。
OK，
下面4个你。这个要看。
Customize sizes, and then they put it here. They cut it. They use this machine to cut it. Once they cut, they directly put it into one piece like this. They put it into one piece like this. So here they can do a lot of design, I will show you the picture, what type of business we have already done with this factory. We've been working with this factory for around 5 years, so they're very reliable and very good factory. So I'll let you see. So here they use this type of machine to cut it into this size, very precise, you see, very precise. And then they do a lot of design, they do this one. When I touch it, I feel the quality is very good, you know. The quality is very good. And at the same time, if you have this type of project, you can show it to them. They will do it for you. See? It's still good. Still good. See how good it is? Yeah. Still good. So we are making a little turn to let you see how that is look. Yeah. So for this project, we are in partner with one expert, Abricos specially. So we will let you see what is going on. Okay. South Africa. Yep. Meesha. So, the full.
那个小刘，你帮我一下，带一个那个拖车下去过来了。哦。
So here is a place where they do everything, you know, all the design. Yeah, the place where they do that. So if you want anything, you see that. Yeah. 门都让去掉了。So here we are getting ready. We will inflate it to see and see what is going on. Okay, here is very big, you know, very big place. Okay. Inflate it here to see. So you wait for the result. 安装容易吗？
这个是先把底部这个拉链关起来，
要把拉链
关起来。
OK。
关起来以后，这儿不就有一个边上有个充气的孔吗
？OK，要装里面。拉链 OK。哇，这个太阳，
这个太阳有点热啊。
哇。
和你飞的差不多。然后这个就是
OK，然后把它接上去
就可以了，
就可以了。那边也有拉链，那边就有拉链。
对，这拉链
你要把那个拉链也关一下，
不然它就跑
气，
对吧？
我知道，就关好就可以了。你跟我过来，我就把灯准备一下。 arrives à voir, n'est-ce pas? C'est bon? Ouais. 10 mètres là. Voilà. Donc je t'enverrai des images et tout et tout. C'est bon?
这个下面可以推动，这边上有4个，
上面也有了吗？
上面有4个，我只拉了2个，因为我人太少了。下面有4个，
OK， 上面
下面4个你
呢？
这个
Il y a 4 types de ces gens.
对4个，一边4个，8个。
Voilà, il y a 4 outils. Et puis en haut, il y a 2.
上面也有4个。